guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the unboxing of my beautiful Kindle Paperwhite 32 gigabytes waterproof beauty of an ebook. We all know reading is the best way to expand your mind, so get your Kindle today and come and join me on a readathon or something like that. I don't know. Okay, let's get started with today's video. Today is such an exciting day. I know I sound like such a nerd, but I'm so excited to unbox my Kindle. For those of you who don't know, it was my birthday on the 14th of September, and my parents, yes, still at the age of 24, I got a birthday gift from them, and they got me the Amazon Kindle 6-inch waterproof Paperwhite. I don't know if I'm saying it in the right order, but those are all the words that seem to be in the title of this thing. And yeah, I'm just super excited. I've got the Kindle, which is this one, and I've got a cover for my Kindle. I went for super simple, sleek color scheme because I thought, you know what? I love to wear color, even though I'm wearing black today, but I love wearing bright colors, and I think I'm gonna look really funny if I'm holding this like bright red Kindle. But maybe that's just me. If you want to do something different, go for it. But yeah, I decided to go for the Kindle. Actually, I'm not gonna tell you. Let's just unbox it and then you guys will see for yourself what color I got, and then afterwards we'll put the cover on and see what this baby looks like. First up, my brother ordered this for me on the 12th of September and it got here yesterday, which was the 15th of September. So literally within 3 days and I got my Kindle. Now, for a lot of you who've got Amazon, that's like, oh cool, but being a South African, I'm like, wow, things move so quickly in this modern world here in London. So anyway, it comes in a box like this. It's got the Kindle sign, and all you do is you're gonna tear this thing off, and then let's see what's inside. Oh, okie dokie. Lol, I thought I was unwrapping my Kindle, but turns out this is the cover for the Kindle. So the cover for the Kindle arrived faster. Today I officially got my Kindle because the second thing arrived today. Okay, so this is my cover, Kindle Paperwhite water safe fabric cover, and I decided to go for the fabric cover because I think it's going to be nicer to the touch. You know, when you're busy reading a book the whole day, you don't really want to be holding onto this like plasticky thing, especially if you're in a hot country. You start getting sweaty fingers or something like that. I don't know. I mean, I don't really get sweaty fingers, but I just thought worst case scenario. So I'm prepared for the worst and I got a fabric cover. This one is in charcoal gray. I know that you also get it in this funny yellow color. I'm not the biggest fan of the yellow color because I think it looks a bit off yellow. I think they could have gone for more of a canary yellow. That would have been really nice. Then I would have maybe considered going for the yellow. And then there was also this beautiful cobalt blue, but yeah, I still decided because my Kindle is quite a dark color, I thought, nah, it's gonna look better with the charcoal than the cobalt blue, but the blue one is really nice as well. Now we're gonna unbox my Kindle. Once again, the Kindle logo, and I'm going to, I think this is how I'm meant to do it, wrestle. Okie dokie. There we are. I have got my Kindle Paperwhite thinner, lighter, and now waterproof. Okie dokie, let's get this plastic off. Okay, so let's open this box. Once again, another one of these tear across thingies. Out comes another box. Oh my gosh, it's like past the parcel. Feels like I'm in school again, unwrapping, waiting for the gem to be revealed in the middle. So at the top here, you've obviously got the charging cable, which I can just plug this into one of my USB ports from my cell phone or something like that to charge the Kindle. Then it comes with a whole bunch of instruction manuals and things like that. Last but not least, best of all, the Kindle. Okie dokie, so I'm gonna take it out of its plastic. This is the first Kindle that I've ever owned, so this is quite exciting. I mean, to be honest, I think once you've had one Kindle, you don't really need more Kindles. I don't know anything about the older ones, but I imagine once you have a Kindle, you're kind of set for life with your Kindle. And then it says that the power on button is this button on the left hand side, so I'm just gonna hold that in. And she's coming to life. That's gonna be me sitting in the park reading underneath the tree. I usually read on my cell phone, but I found that my eyes started getting really dry and red because I'm staring at a screen too much. So that's why I said to my parents, I was like, wow, it would be so cool if you could get me like a gift for my birthday. And so they got me this Kindle, and yeah, I think it's gonna be a lot better for my eyes to read like this. Okay, English. I'm gonna choose English UK because in South Africa we use the British English. Get started. Now it is preparing my device. It says it's got high resolution 300 ppi display, built-in light, and weeks of battery life. Ooh. So I'm not entirely sure what it's doing, but it says that it's preparing my device. So I'll just patiently wait here for it to be done. Okay, now I'm going to connect to Wi-Fi. I don't actually know the Wi-Fi password, so I'm quickly phoning Jaden to find out the Wi-Fi. Babe, can you send me the Wi-Fi password? Really? I love that you're back here already. There's two of us on this phone, it's confusing me. You miss me? I know. So cool, eh? So it connected to the Wi-Fi, and now it says that I need to register my Kindle, and it says, it gives me the option if I should use an existing Amazon account or create a new account. I actually don't have an Amazon account, so I'm going to create a new account. And now it says, hello Cassandra and Grimbley, your Kindle's time is set to 5:05. Tap here to adjust this. Now that is the correct time. It is 5:05 in the afternoon for me. I click continue. Okay, so now it's teaching me how to navigate through my Kindle. It says tap the toolbar at the top of your screen to navigate your Kindle. Home is where you'll find your library and discover new Kindle and Audible books. Back will retrace your steps. Tap on settings to adjust screen brightness, sync your Kindle, and turn airplane mode and Bluetooth on or off. And then on page 3 it says more on home. Swipe up on your home screen to see additional tips, recommendations, and more based on your reading habits. Done. Hi Cassandra, in 2 easy steps we'll help you get personalized book recommendations from your favorite genres. Let's get started. So now it's gonna let me choose some genres that I really like. So I love biography, fiction, history, historical fiction, humor and comedy, mystery, non-fiction, romance, science fiction, thriller. Okay, so I think I pretty much like everything, so I wonder what it's gonna give me considering I've chosen so many of the options. So the rest is just going to be pretty much setting up the Kindle towards my liking, and yeah, it says that I should give some book recommendations and ratings of books that I've already read, and then it'll kind of suggest books based on what I've read already, and yeah, then I'll be able to find things to read and things that I really enjoy. Now what I want to do is put my Kindle into its adorable little cover. So I'm going to open this up. Here's the cover. It's literally just in very basic charcoal gray, and then that's how it says I should put the Kindle in. Obviously slide it in and clip it into place. So I've got my Kindle. I'm gonna put it in on the side and just clip it into place. Super quick and easy. And there we have it, my adorable Kindle. I'm so excited to read some books, and yeah guys, that was my unboxing. If you guys want to get a Kindle, I'm sure it's going to be amazing. It feels super light, kind of like the weight of a book I suppose, and it feels quite comfortable to hold. And what I love about this cover is that it's magnetic, so it's sticking to the side, so it's not going to constantly swing as I'm holding it. And there we have it, my Kindle Paperwhite. And also this Kindle is the 32GB Kindle. I decided to go for the one with more space. Apparently the 8GB is perfectly fine for books and things like that, but because I really want to listen to audiobooks, I decided to go for the one with 32 gigs because obviously then you can put audiobooks and have lots of space to spare. I just prefer to have it all in one space, and yeah, it's a couple dollars more, but I think it's totally worth it. So yes guys, that is my video for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you also have a Kindle, if you have any book recommendations for me. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I also make videos that are like beauty, lifestyle, a whole bunch of different things. So go and check them out if you are interested. Have a fabulous day further, and I will see you guys all in my next video.